Hi, welcome to another D-Link video. I'm Phil, with me is Mark. Today we're gonna talk a little bit about D-Link's range of M2M IoT devices and how they can benefit the electric wholesaler market. Mark?
Yeah, essentially we have a range of 4G and 5G small routers designed to be more commercialized. So they're in small ruggedized cases. What the 4G and 5G IoT devices do is give other products, other devices a connection to the internet where a traditional internet connection is not available. So a fixed line is not available. Why could that be? It could be expensive, it could be impractical to run an internet line to a site or to a building. And what these devices do is take a 4G or a 5G SIM card, you plug it into the device, it connects to the internet, and it gives a particular device or a singular device a connection to the internet.
What's great about these M2M devices is that if you wanted to provide internet connection to remote sites or even temporary sites, it gives you a very, very quick way of setting up both wired and also possibility of wireless connectivity to those locations through just one of these devices, because they will simply take a 4G or 5G internet connection and then allow other devices to connect to it. They have, they're widely deployed in applications such as things like vending machines, EV charging stations, remote surveillance areas, or even something like festival wireless connectivity.
This could be used for connected advertising hoardings, so things like on the side of train lines or the side of motorways that we see, the digital displays on there. These devices could be used to give that type of technology a connection to the internet. We will see demand for these products grow as the use or the need for things like EV charging, things like digital signage, this becomes more and more incorporated into everyday life, and we will see demand for internet connections grow, especially on the move.
Our range is ever growing. We have devices that connect to both 4G and 5G, as well as devices that have a single Ethernet port, whether it's fast Ethernet gigabit or even 2.5 gigs, multiple Ethernet ports so that you can connect more devices to, and on top of that, some of them even supports PoE. So not only are you able to provide internet connection into remote locations, you can also use a single power source to be able to connect and power equipment, again, such as cameras or access points through another single cable to the top of the pole, which simplifies installation quite by a lot.
So thank you very much for listening to us on this video. Again, please reach out if you have any questions or if there's any requirements that you have. Me and Phil are here to help.
See you in the next video.